Okay. See here. It is like a river out here.
Yeah, it'd be good to get a car going through that shit too.
Oh my gosh. This is insane. What is this? Okay, we are having like a super like rainstorm thing going on, and it's only September. This is the corner of 16th and J Street. It's like super flooding. I'm trying to get this zoomed out.
Take a little small one of that. What's this bike right there? See what's this bike lane? Yeah, there we go. Did you get him?
I did. I did. Look at that. This is what our streets look like here. And this is not cool because the corner of this street actually is where cars, you know, park, drive, etc. And also houses can sink from this problem. And as you see, that's the rest of the street right there. And this is the side of the street.
You get a little bit right there now, but that's...
Here comes another car. Here we go.
Yeah, there we go. Good one. Yay.
Hydroplaning action.
Yeah, our street doesn't flood.
No.
No.
Hey, City of Eureka, what is this? What is that? What is that? This is ridiculous. We got people with umbrellas. I mean, this is just insane.